Ryan's gonna help me make banana bread because we have dying bananas. Is it easy to smash? Because they're dying. Mix well. Two more.
Like this?
And last one. That's good.
Good
Yeah.
enough, right?
And then add the brown sugar. Mix it all so you don't see the white flour, I guess. So decorate with the leftover walnuts.
Decorate?
Yes, decorate. Good job.
Just cut it?
Uh-huh. And Ryan loves this plate for tteokbokki. It's his favorite plate.
Just share this one for now.
Yeah, that's fine. Ordered this again from the Korean chicken store or restaurant. So today we got the half again. I think this is original. That sweet soy sauce, which is Ryan's favorite. Some rice. This time, instead of sundubu, we tried getting seolleongtang because Ryan also really likes that. It's a bone broth soup, beef based. Here, some condiments. So the pickled radish always goes well with chicken, but Ryan doesn't eat pickled stuff, so that's all mine. I think on the right is a little dipping sauce, and the left I got a sweet and spicy dipping sauce for the chicken to try it out. And meal served.
Having a good Sunday so far?
Yeah,
So far.
barely awake so far, but you know, lazy Sunday.
Fair
Figure we just stroll a little bit.
That's the U.S. Embassy. Yellow and blue skies. I'm going to be making chili soup today, beef chili soup, since Ryan has been asking for it, so I finally got around to making it. So I'm going to use my slow cooker today. Let's see, first I have 1 chopped onion and 3 garlic cloves in here. And let's see, on high, we will saute them for a bit. Just adding some olive oil. And salt and pepper. Now putting in ground meat. We always have leftovers when we make chili, so putting in 2 packs of ground beef. Adding some chopped tomatoes and red kidney beans. Now we'll be adding some spices. So typically, I just add some ground cumin, paprika, and hot chili powder. Couple teaspoons at first and taste it later. So this is ground cumin. So let's just start with about 3 teaspoons. Black pepper, so maybe just 1 teaspoon of this. This is paprika. Just use the rest of that. And hot chili powder. I'll just use the rest of this as well. And a bit more salt. Lastly, adding some water. And 1 beef stock cube. And that's it. It's looking good. I added some more ground cumin and paprika. And typically I add some tomato puree as well, but I don't have any. So instead, I'll be adding a bit of this tomato sauce. And I'll also add 1 more of these beef stock cube. To make it slightly healthier and heartier, I have some kale over here. So I'll just put in some kale and the chili as well. Beef chili with some toast. Just waiting for Ryan to get off work so we can eat dinner.